since the day that you went away. You went away. You've been sending flowers, flowers to me. Flowers today, flowers today.
What's good, everybody? It's your girl Renee here, back again with another video. So today's video is going to be a Christmas haul. I have been shopping slowly over this past month, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Renee. I am a lifestyle vlogger, a DIYer, and a sewist. I'm so glad to share this adventure with you guys, and actually I want to talk about a new adventure that I am hoping to achieve. So this Halloween, and of course having my toddler and wanting to do all of the events with her, was very sad actually. And I saw a post that someone said that Halloween is dying, and I got really sad by that because I used to have such great memories with Halloween, and my goal was to make those memories go into like memories for my daughter and any other children that I have, and there just wasn't, it wasn't as magical, I guess. It wasn't as cool as it used to be. And so I noticed that less and less houses are decorating now. Like, no one has their lights up. Of course, we're still in November, but it's just me having a little bit of Christmas decorations outside. So the goal is to celebrate every holiday now. I want to make every holiday absolutely fantastic, and I want to be that mom who goes overboard, and that house that all the children in the neighborhood are like, oh my gosh, let's go see what this season is. So I'm gonna call this the holiday house, and we're gonna decorate for as many holidays as I possibly can. So we'll see if I can pull it off. Okay, now on to the haul. Okay, so the first one we're going to start with is actually AliExpress, because you know your girl has an addiction to AliExpress now since I got my lovely couch. So I've only got one thing from AliExpress for the tree, and it's these donuts, and they look so good. I was nervous. It comes in a pack of 6, but y'all, this looked so realistic when I got them. And y'all, when I say, if it wasn't for the plastic smell of these, I probably would have eaten these. I probably would have eaten these because they look so good. But yes, that's the only thing that I ordered from AliExpress for this haul. Okay, so the next store that we went to was actually going to be Target, and we're going to start off with this super cute pillow. And I know y'all are probably thinking, Renee, you sew. Why don't you make this yourself? It's so easy. Because I have so many other projects that I'm working on right now that making this, when this was just $5, it didn't make sense. So I need to decorate my couch. Yes, the couch that I got from AliExpress. If you didn't see the video of all 3 parts, it's currently linked up in the corner for y'all to go see. Go check it out. The couch is absolutely amazing. I love it. But I need to decorate it for every season as well. So the next item I got that I'm hopefully not going to break is this ceramic gingerbread house, and this was also in the dollar section. And this one was $5. It's so cute, and yes, it opens. And I don't know exactly what I'm going to put in here just yet, but it does have that little rubber seal. And I think it's supposed to be a cookie jar, but I don't plan on storing cookies in here. I'm not sure what I'll put in it. I think just for now it's going to be decoration, but here's the quality. Don't mind that. That's not part of it. My daughter was eating a taco and then she touched it while I was filming, so I'm gonna clean it off. But here's the back. You do see some slight imperfections, and the back doesn't close all the way is what I noticed, but it's okay because it was only $5 and it looks good from the front. So I'm probably gonna put it with another gingerbread house that I made, and that video will be coming soon. I'll go ahead and link it in the corner as well for you guys to see when it does come out. The next item I got from Dollar Tree, and again the dollar spot, for only $3 was this cute little decanter, and it's a Christmas tree. They had a few other ones that I saw, but it wasn't the ones that I wanted. Because one was a nutcracker and it just, the colors was off. All right, it wasn't matching my aesthetic of my living room. And the other one was a snowman, and I don't know, it just, I wasn't feeling it. So I got the Christmas tree, because hopefully I can keep this in my living room all year round, because I mean, it matches my green aesthetic. So basically this top part comes off if you can't see the tape holding it shut. It comes off and it becomes the little cup. And I've been looking for one of these for a while, but you fill it up with water, and then throughout the day you can just take the top off, pour some water in, and drink some water. This is gonna help my water intake by so much, y'all, because I have not been drinking water lately and it has been very bad. And the last thing that I got from the Target dollar spot was, again, this is for my daughter and creating memories with her. So I got the cookies and milk ceramic dishes, and this was $5. Here's Santa's milk, and it's glazed on the inside. I did notice that there's a little chip right here, but that's okay, because it is Santa's milk, and only Santa will be drinking out of this. And then of course we have the cookie tray, and on the back, only small minor issues. Now I'm not gonna let my daughter hold these because she's already dropped a few things today, but yeah. So there may or may not be some continuity error in this video, and that's because apparently my footage got corrupt on the way from my phone to my laptop to edit, and so I have to refilm this. But the next store that we went to was the craft store, and it's your local craft store, I suppose. But the first thing I got was actually these eye screws. I don't know if you can see what they look like, but I got them because my daughter is obsessed with Sesame Street, and I have made a short of me sewing her a Sesame Street bucket hat before, which I've linked up in the corner if I can link shorts. She's had a second birthday which was Sesame Street themed, and she did receive some duplicates, so I plan on taking these and making some of her little figurines into Christmas ornaments, so stay tuned to that. And this right here was only about 99 cents, which we love. The next thing we got was these little candy canes, and I believe these are acrylic. But when I was little, my mother used to give us actual candy canes to put on the tree, and I don't eat candy canes, mainly because of the sugar, and for some reason peppermint to me just tastes really bad. So I got these colorful, like, pastel ones to put on the tree for my daughter because she's obsessed with hanging things on the tree, and they're just, I don't know if you can hear, regular acrylic and super cute. So you've got different types of colors in there, including the yellows. I think that would really pop on the tree. But these were $5 because originally they were $10.99 and it was 50% off. So $5 was not bad to spend on this, especially since it's gonna last us years to come. The next item I did have to purchase was these lights. Now, I was putting the lights on my daughter's 9-foot tree, and the top part, like the little peak, had to have a separate strand, and it had a blinker light on it, and it didn't make sense for only the top of the tree to blink. So I had to go get extra bulbs, and after like 6 or 7 times of me attempting to get the extra bulbs at the store, this time I just bought another set of lights and then just used the spare light in these. So now I have these. They were $5.99 and it was 50% off, so about $2.50. Another thing that I did get at the craft store was the extension cord, and this was also $5.99 with 50% off. This is about 9 feet, but I guess I can use it for the tree because the tree doesn't reach the plug either. So, and the last thing that I got at the craft store was these cookie cutters for $2.49, and they were on sale 50% off, so about $1 something. The only cookie cutters I have is for my daughter's play kitchen, and I didn't want to use those for real cookies or like her real lunchbox stuff, so we got a Christmas tree and a snowman, and these will also be put away in the designated holiday decoration box of Christmas at the end of the season. Okay, so the next thing I got was, of course, again, I do have to decorate my couch, and it is a black nutcracker, and oh my gosh, it's so cute. And this was also, I believe, 50% off, so it was $24.99 originally. And the quality on this, you guys, I don't know if you can see, this is fur, and this is like, I forgot, Sherpa fabric. And of course the back is like just Sherpa, but it's so cute. And the stitching quality is absolutely amazing as well. So I'm just, this could fit my body. It's so cute. So I only have 3 more things in this haul, and they're all from Kirkland still. The first one is, of course, this really cute Christmas ornament. And if you can't tell, you know, I said I was gonna have a Candyland theme, but I might as well have done a gingerbread theme, because the amount of gingerbread stuff that I purchased this year or made this year, like that one right there, just a lot. But this one, I will say, definitely does have to be sealed with Mod Podge, because I don't know if you guys can see, but the glitter is coming off upon touch. So I gotta be really careful with this one. But this was $9.99, and it is a pretty heavy ornament, I will admit, but it does have a light in there. Let's see if I can turn it on for you guys. So here's the light on for you guys, and it's so stinking cute. And here's the back. Of course, your girl had to get a fragrance scent Cinnabon, and it is so cute. And look at how elegant this bottle looks. Like, smells divine. A lot of scents make me sick when it has like a specialty scent, like food wise. This is perfect. And I think this is a room scent, but this was $5.99, and of course 50% off, you guys. Definitely worth it. I am going to spray everything starting with the tree. And then the last thing I did get was, of course, a candle, and this kind of reminded me of Bath & Body Works, I'm not gonna lie, but it is sugar plums. It has a very sweet scent. And it smells like candy. I'm gonna be honest, it smells like a strawberry candy. It's so divine. Like, I should have bought more, but this was $12.99, and of course 50% off. I should have gotten more. I should have gotten a couple of copies, because this is only seasonal, and it will be going out of season after Christmas is over, and I might not ever see it again, which makes me super sad. But I do plan on lighting this. I just ran out of one of my other candles, and I'm about to run out of another, so stay tuned when we actually make a DIY out of the jars. So that's our video. That's everything that I got in this Christmas haul. I'll try and find as much as I possibly can and link them below for you guys. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, follow me on all social medias. They're all at OneDayRenee. I'll see you next time.